Tooth replacement and repairing surfaces, Rayco Predator Mulcher. Tools required for 2-bolt tooth, flat bastard file, 1/2-inch drive torque wrench, 15/16 impact socket, 1/2-inch breaker bar or 1/2-inch ratchet. Tools required for single bolt tooth, flat bastard file, 3/4-inch drive torque wrench, 3/4-inch drive 17mm Allen head socket, 1/2-inch breaker bar or 1/2-inch ratchet. Be sure to read the Operator Service Maintenance Manual in its entirety prior to working on your Rayco Forestry Mulcher. The Maintenance Made Easy videos provide you with visual reference only and are not intended to replace your manual. Always wear proper clothing and personal protective equipment. Hard hat, eye, and ear protection must be worn while working on the equipment. Hand protection should be worn where necessary to protect the worker's hands. Reference your manual for further instruction on proper clothing and protective equipment. To begin, raise the mulcher head off the ground to waist level. Turn off the engine, remove the key, and place in your pocket so it cannot accidentally be turned on while working. Remove the lock washers, bolts, and tooth from the tooth holder using a 15/16 impact socket. A 3/4 drive 17mm Allen head socket should be used if removing a single bolt tooth. Using the flat bastard file the surface of the tooth holder and the surface where the bolt makes contact on the back side of the holder to remove any debris and create a smooth surface. Flip the tooth over to the unused side and reattach using existing lock washers and bolts. If replacing with a new tooth, it's important to use new lock washers and bolts. Bolts stretch after the second use, and the washer will not be effective at holding the proper torque. Once you have replaced the tooth back onto the tooth holder, you'll need to torque the bolt. 2 bolt teeth require 220 foot-pounds of torque using a 1/2-inch drive torque wrench. Single bolt teeth require 500 foot-pounds of torque using the 3/4-inch drive torque wrench. Your teeth are now ready for operation.